Consumer Cellular offers two primary methods for voicemail retrieval: shortcodes and visual voicemail. The most basic way is to dial 86 from your consumer cellular phone. This connects you to the voicemail system, prompting you to enter your PIN to access your messages. Alternatively, visual voicemail, accessible through the Consumer Cellular app, allows you to see a list of your voicemails, play them, delete them, or even read transcriptions, enhancing efficiency and convenience. As of 2025, accessing voicemail via the app is preferred by most users because it is easier and helps combat spam calls. The app leverages AI to improve transcription accuracy. Make sure to set up your voicemail with a secure PIN by calling customer service at 611. For efficient voicemail management, enable notifications in the Consumer Cellular app to receive instant alerts for new messages. If you encounter issues, reset your voicemail by dialing 86 and pressing star to access settings. Looking ahead, voicemail is evolving towards greater AI integration, with features like automatic summarization and integration with virtual assistants. While shortcodes are declining in popularity, they remain a reliable backup, especially in areas with poor signal. Privacy enhancements, such as encryption and two-factor authentication for PINs, are becoming increasingly important to protect against voicemail hacking. Prioritize app-based access for advanced features and enhanced security.